welcome back to another video. So today we've got my good old trusted Pamela in for a set, and I'm going to be doing a cute little square polygel set. So I've never done a short polygel set before, so I wanted to give it a try. Now I'm using these extra long square jewel forms today, and there's two ways you can use these. You can use these like a normal jewel form, where you put the polygel in, apply it on top of the nail, cure it, and you'll get your extension. Or you can use it the way that I'm doing it today, where you stick these jewel forms under that tip of the nail, only very slightly, and apply your product on top. As you can see, I've already done these three. I've prepped the nails, buffed the shiny surface off the natural nail, stuck the jewel forms down, but I wanted to leave this one so I could show you how I do that. So I'm going to be using the Modelones base coat, and I'm just going to apply a teeny tiny bit of that. You only need a really little bit on the tip. That is all you need. And then stick that under that. Like that. And then I'm going to give that a quick cure for 30 seconds. And that is them all stuck down. So now I'm going to apply a coat of the Modelones base coat or 4 nails. But I only need to apply it to the natural nail. You don't need to apply it to that jewel form. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. I'm going to be using the Modelones clear polygel. I only need a teeny tiny bit of that. Don't need a lot at all. And I've got my Modelones slip solution. I'm just going to pop that into my dapping dish. So I'm using my Modelones polygel brush. I'm just going to give it a quick clean in that slip solution. I'm just going to build this extension. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm building a nice short square set. Make sure I'm getting that right up into that wing there. And this needs to be nice and thin. Then I'm going to cure that 60 seconds. So I'm going to cure them for 60 seconds. Right, so these are all fully cured, and that's my base layer all built out. So now we can take these jewel forms off. So you just want to give them a little wiggle, give them a little squeeze, and they should come off nice and easy. Just be very careful though, because that base layer is super thin, you don't want to break it. I'm just giving these jewel forms a clean up with some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad, and they're ready to be used again. So that is my base layer down. So now I'm going to go in, don't worry about the shape, that will get sorted. Now I'm going to be doing the nail bed on all 4 nails. So for the nail bed, I'm using one of my favourite nail bed colours, which is the Modelones Soft Pink. Now, I want to get this cuticle nice and flush first. And then I'm going to start building my smile line. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds.
So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do.
So now I've got some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad. I'm just going to give these a wipe over, get rid of that tacky layer. Don't forget to do the underneath as well. So now I'm going to go around these smile lines, and I'm just going to make sure they're nice and neat and even and nice and crisp. Now when you're doing these smile lines, you want to make sure your file's angled straight up. It doesn't want to be like that, it doesn't want to be like that, it wants to be dead straight like this. So now I've pulled out my black gel paint and I want to paint around this smile line. Don't worry about if you go over the smile line, that's not a problem. Just fading that down a bit. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds Now I'm going to give this Misscheering Silver Spar Cat Eye a try. I've not used this before, so I wanted to see what it's like. So now I'm going to apply a thin, very thin coat of the Modelones base coat, but it only really needs to be right on the tip. And I just want to stick a teeny tiny little bit of silver glitter into that base coat. I just want to put a teeny tiny bit of these Mylar shards as well into the tip. So I'm going to cure that all in place for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to go over these tips with the Modelones clear polygel. And that's going to encapsulate everything that we've applied on those tips. Right, I'm going to quickly give that a cure. Right, so that's all the polygel finished and cured. So now I'm just going to give them a wipe over with some alcohol. Get rid of that tacky layer. Now I'm using my Melodysusie portable e-file. I've got a discount code for Melodysusie, guys. If any of you is interested, it's Gina12. I'm using a coarse ceramic e-file bit. And I'm just going to debulk these nails, and this is where you can see how nice and crisp you've got these nail beds. Right guys, this video was getting a little bit too long already, so I've given my file and a buff off camera, but before I put the top coat on, I just want to do a little crystal design. I'm only doing a little one on one nail, as like I said, the video is getting quite long now. So this is the Rosalind Gem Glue. I'm just putting that exactly where I need it. Then I'm not going to cure that. Now I'm going to go over the coat of the Modelones top coat over that gem glue. This top coat is a really nice top coat as well. Super shiny. Who's ready to see these top coated? Wow. Look at that. So I'm not going to cure that. And then into that uncured gem glue and top coat, I'm going to stick these crystals. I'm going to quickly give that a cure. So there we are, that is the crystal placement all done. So, what time is it now, guys? Yes, yes, yes. It's time to shine. It's top coat time. I cannot wait to see these. Are you ready? Are you ready? How pretty are they? They're so pretty. I just wish now I'd done these on my nails. Look at that. Oh, they're so pretty. There we are, and that shiny top coat cures in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. There we are, guys. That is them all done. What do you think? I'm in love with these. They are so pretty. I love that cat eye. I love the glitter, and I love the little bits of Mylar in them. Just when it catches the light, you can see the Mylar. They are super pretty. That top coat is super shiny as well. Love that top coat. It's one of my favourite shiny top coats. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this is Pamela. Pamela's nails grow quick. So there's a good chance she'll probably be back in again within a few days for an infill and a redesign. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to fill these and do a new design on them. So keep your eyes peeled for that one. That's everything for today's video, guys. Everything that I've used today will be listed in my description box below. I really hope you like them. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.